Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you guys don't know me, my name is Tavo and I did this table today. I will be showing you guys in detail. I did it for my sister-in-law's baby shower. I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so to start off, I made these cupcakes here. You can tell they're chocolate and vanilla. And then here, these are marshmallow lollipops covered in chocolate. I did the bow, as you can tell. Everything's handmade. And yeah. Here we have Oreos covered in chocolate with some sprinkles, some pearls, and obviously some strawberries here. And then over here the same thing. And I did the cake as well. It's just plain white vanilla. And then right here, these are Rice Krispies covered in chocolate. And these are some parfaits or whatever they're called. I don't know what they're called. So yeah, we have fruit in there and that's it. And here we have that too. And then I went to the floral department and picked up those flowers. Oh, and then here we have just donuts that I just, that I just did. And then over here on this side we have the same thing as on the other side. So yeah, this is a nice table that I did. It took me like 2 days to do it. And I also took this picture of them, my brother and my sister-in-law, of course. And then these paper flowers, I also made them. If you guys want me to show you a tutorial, I can do that as well. See, different shapes, different flowers. The leaves are so easy to do as well. Alright guys, so this sums up the candy table that I did for my sister-in-law's baby shower. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe. Bye!